Have you ever wondered what's more economical? Ordering a pizza or cooking your own at home? Well, we decided to put that age-old question to the test in a taste test. We ordered a cheese or pepperoni pizza from our local pizza joint. Prices are listed below. Now, it should be noted that these prices can vary depending on where you live. For example, in New York City, the average price for a large cheese or pepperoni pizza is around $20. So you might be thinking, who has $20 lying around to just throw away on a pizza? But for the sake of this experiment, we went ahead and ordered one. We also made our very own pizza dough using store-bought ingredients. The dough recipe that we used is listed below. We let the dough rise while we prepped the rest of our ingredients. For the sauce, we used a can of crushed tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, dried oregano, and dried basil. We also bought fresh mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and because this is a taste test, we went all out with the toppings. We added pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and olives. While our pizza was baking, we opened up the first box and took a look. Honestly, it was pretty good. The crust was golden-hued and slightly crispy. The sauce was a rich, vibrant red, and the cheese was melted and stretchy. Now, it wasn't the best pizza that we've ever had, but it was definitely worth the price. When our homemade pizza was done baking, we cut it up and took a look. It was a little messy, but that's to be expected. We were so focused on making sure that the toppings were evenly distributed that we actually forgot to take a picture of the finished sauce and cheese. Oops, but you get the idea. So, which one do you think was better? The store-bought pizza or the homemade pizza? Let us know in the comments below if you're in the mood for pizza. But you don't want to spend the money or wait the time for delivery. Making your own pizza is a great alternative. It's fun, it's interactive, and it's a great way to get the whole family involved in the kitchen. Plus, with so many different toppings to choose from, the possibilities are really endless. You can make a pizza that's exactly the way that you want it. Now, if you're really in a hurry, you could always just order a frozen pizza. They come in all different flavors, and they bake up really quickly in the oven. Just be careful not to burn the crust. Well, that's all for today. Until next time, happy pizza making.